in order to store the grains. So as we saw that as the evolution of human gradual development was taken place, he started at the one place without moving from one place to another place in search of food or the shelter. Once they started getting settling at one place, he started with the agriculture. When he started with the agriculture, his another work was domestication of animals. In the Neolithic period, farming was closely followed along with the domestication of animals. That is cattle rearing and animals remains and the bones found out at certain sites indicates that animals. How do we come to know that the earlier humans used to take care of the domesticate the animals? By the help of the animal remains, whatever the remains of the animals and the bones which they have found out by the historians and the archaeological site in the archaeological sites, it has made us to make decide that the people were and the earlier used to domesticate the animals when the animals were domesticated, which was the domesticated by the early humans, like cows, sheep, goat, pigs and dogs. These were the animals which they used to domesticate. And even there were construction of the storage pits. In Barzohom, storage pits have been found, or the dwelling pits, which were built by the partially digging the, it's nothing but by digging the ground and then covering them with the roof. This was for the drainage purpose, whatever the water is, the bad water or the store drainage system was constructed by the early people. Now we have all the canals and the drainage system, proper drainage system, but in the earlier days the people used to dig the ground and they used to close with them with the roof. After some 6 months or 1 year, it is to get to the water is to get dry, and whatever the remains of the toxins was there, it was mixed with the soil of the earth. So you can say that in the Neolithic period, animals' remains and bones found at certain sites helps us to know that they were domesticating by the early people, like cow, sheep, goat, pig and dogs. And Muzraham storage pits have been found built to close to dwelling pits, and these were partially digging the ground and then covering with the roof. When the humans started living in settlements, many animal bones have been found in these storage pits, and they were used as tools during the Neolithic period. Animals like horses and donkey were used for the as a means of transportation, and they started invented even the wheel. So after the first they began with the agriculture, then domestication of animals, then usage of the stone tools to for the agriculture and the domestication purpose. Now comes into the picture of invention of the wheel. They started inventing the wheel, and these people may have seen long rolling down a path and then thought of transporting their goods on a flat surface with the logs. That means in order to carry out their goods from one place to another place, they found out an idea, that is the wheel, invention of the wheel. Instead of dragging and pushing the goods from one place to another, they started inventing the wheel, and this will not only helped for them to carry out the goods from one place to another place, for other purpose like pottery making as well. Once they grow the agricultural product, they used to they have to store it one place and in certain things. That things may be the pot. Here the pots may be used for storing the products or the produce of the agricultural products. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪಾಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಪಾಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೀಲ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ವೀಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ವೀಲ್ನ ಅವರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ವೀಲ್ನ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ರವಾನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಟ್ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೀಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೀಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್, and for even for the agriculture purpose they used to make use of the cows, and for the plowing in the field, plowing the field, all these kinds. So they used animals as well as the tools and the wheel. All these three helped them to make the work better and easier, and still more easier the life of the early humans. So as I said, the people was well versed with that means Neolithic period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು refined, that is complete desired shape, which is helpful for the particular purpose, like sleds is used for chopping or digging the ground, stone axes, sickles and plows, bone tools. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಸುಗಳನ್ನ ಮೇವು ಕಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಆಯುಧಗಳನ್ನು ಇವರು ತಯಾರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುದ್ಲಿ, ಪಿಕಾಸಿ, ಚೆಂಗೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೋ, ನೇಗ್ಲನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೇಗ್ಲು ನೆಲ ಉಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನೆಲ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಬೆಳೆದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಪಗಡ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವೀಲನ್ನು ಏನು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಟ್ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಪಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲಕರಣೆಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೇಗ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಉಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ಸು, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಸು, ಪ್ಲೋಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೋನ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸು. ಅನಿಮಲ್ಲು ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರ ಅದು ಪಳೆಯುಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ agricultural activities. So children, in today's class we learnt about how the early who are the first farmers, what were their activities, how the animals has been used by them for the various purposes, and what are the things they used in the Neolithic period, and how did they invent the wheel and what is the purpose of the wheel. All those things we studied. In next class, we are going to study about Neolithic revolution and what are the certain changes that have been implemented or brought into or that been changed during the Neolithic period. Okay, now complete the worksheet and complete the notes which I have told in the previous class, and keep update with the notes as well as the worksheet. Thank you.